Yo, what's going on guys, welcome to my YouTube channel creativegraphicz.com. And let's see what I brought for you guys today. Today we are going to talk about the new ChatGPT and AI generator in Filmora 12. These are absolutely crazy, so let's jump into Filmora and get started it. Okay guys, first talk about ChatGPT. So you can easily find this option in here. When you edit text, when you export video, and here. Okay, so I select AI copywriting, and we have a new interface like this. So you can ask anything you want. So if you didn't know how to use this, click this and you can see they give some examples about this. Okay guys, I need to get video ideas for Filmora. So I type, give me 3 video ideas for YouTube shorts about Filmora 12. Okay, after that click submit, then wait for a second. Okay, now we have our video ideas. So the first one is, top 10 tips and tricks for editing with Filmora 12. The second one is, Filmora 12 review. Is it worth the upgrade? And the third one is, how to create stunning special effects with Filmora 12. So actually there are great ideas for making new content. Also you can use this to make video titles, and video descriptions, make video scripts, and anything you want. And if you need to save this, you can easily get a copy here, and save it in your notepad or MS Word document. So guys, next one is the AI generator. So you can find this option in here. So when you open it, you have a new interface like this. So you can type what kind of image you want. So I type, a countryside house in a field of water, high detail, fine quality, dramatic cloud formations, trending on ArtStation, sharp focus, studio photo, intricate details and highly detailed. So you can type like a paragraph or keyword. So I used keywords because it's easy to describe. So after that select the resolution you want. Then click start creating. So guys, you can see how cool is that. It has nice color grading, water reflection, and grass quality. It's absolutely amazing. So if you need to download your image, you can click this button to download it. So you can generate 5 images in one day, and it refreshes every day. So let's generate another image. So you can use my prompts. I put all prompts in the description. So guys, if you need to open these images in a PNG format, open File Explorer. Go to the Documents, select Wondershare, then select AIGC Media. Then you can see our all generated images saved in this folder. So that's it guys. These are the new AI updates on Filmora 12. Absolutely, these are very helpful. So, what do you think about this video? Let me know in the comment section, and please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in the next vid. Take care and peace.